Good morning. I was here. Rason say yadi agudi abonsam bro na no pay wo bedwam so yes bedwam wo kansie ni Sergio Manucho Bernard Padi bo twa me producers keju wana kasa ne Eric ase edu bori ya mwakwaba na yebesha se ntempa so ameni ho yede be fi ya no Olympic Games here kokoso ye and other friendly games koso across Europe and friendly games and Olympic games no man de no and me man de na aso wa bredengo Africa fund mzee dia na aye no ne ade a but mano Japan sanchi Nigeria Olympic Games okoye dia ankoye senepa bon kora Japan chene bon kamia sama ne timo baako Brazil about Spain by 2-0 and Zambia sanji ahye ne ho Germany bon kannan mane timo baako in Australia USA bon mienu mane timo baako na Colombia Canada a bono 1-0. We in mano results and ra. About so you mum hwesene koi. Koso mano e football mu ye nego so di me mano so di na chi hwesene no so besi akona ye fo ne kopie mu onsen from basketball. South Sudan African reps some kopie mu Olympic Games yase na hwese after an impressive start. Now come bet waso na so otimi fo tumi wa ora o kawa fro afu abati na wo rotwe kote konkra. So mkokushia USA for na USA for more than dodo. The USA for back-to-back gold medals. No person moje. Mo heso mbenya a 5th straight gold medal. Basketball month. Na South Sudan ne omko share na anobe den pa na. Akwaya 103-36. Yes, until to say 36, 86 and 103. That's a much kakra ne ade. Sudan prayer. And for mo yade there, but to me for no to me wa obetete osa. Okakrani dia o mama Olympic Games aside the pa ye kopie mu in tennis and hoswa de Novak Djokovic head on so betimi aye and of course Carlos Alcaraz and so jinemu amuna echombo bre ewo tennis mo na yemfi oni kopie mu ewo nsanfo from me man 100-meter swimming freestyle 19-year-old Chinese Abrantia Panzanle and akwambia so timi gold for the 6.40 seconds 19-year-old or dwaresen you know Jarity next time no there. Omi enko mo a enu enu kopo ne ho. En form we no nim dware dada. The answer be polish dware no. Kikiri na mo dware akwaje gold aman. Enu enu mom ko yi de amfa. Ti enu China ni to mo de bibia on person mo ye. China ni abaje a gold in a 100-meter swimming freestyle. No ne dia kopie mu ewo yesumi ni mo na ye hwe the friendly games ahodo no so course so ahemachin esi ekoye Real Madrid ni AC Milan ebo Real Madrid by a goal to nil sansoda okopie mu na Liverpool and Arsenal by Liverpool by 2-1 eti eno edanchen so Manchester United ni Real Betis United etimi na so bogumu de ma Real Betis for kamiensa Real Betis ti ekanimu eye mienu Aston Villa Leipzig ebo ne kamenu a to me at Crystal Palace we need 3-1 over Wolves and no ne the one time see at other games because of yemfa and Kamal Kranti and no send something so SCTN. Now Yakopimo was from Yabafia heard honorable sports minister Mustafa Yusuf and then someone to grass about Teman nano you see no among for say ya raw for kakani and dia pacho ya de ho mount say ya dia han say ye bibi o ho akwa na wahwe ho so ye na waye de sefata ho no monye se ye ka se brabe ya de wa kwa na nkonwa na otiatia so ye nema rough esa epanifo na obedi ni pa
Ministry of Youth and Sports your agency your friend no National Sports Authority sa National Sports Authority no omo penny bako and ye in charge of the facility your friend Majid Bawa ono so ti hase or the deputy director general this outro krata o person boy use first a sort of crata National Sports Authority. Say, open say, oh, maybe competition be our person use. Now, I try mom. I'm over competition now, person, you know, say a sports related, and I say youth related activity. On my recommendation, my then yama approval. Until so because a didn't say obey you so, not just say, onim kwaya, obefaso, obenya, and yes, say, ding. Yeah, officer, your open door policy. Who need the appointment be answer about my National Sports Authority so who need the appointment be answer alcohol. Until a public office. Say o hankwa de na say nko be bia oba. Be bia e ho no say ye wo to me say betimi ayamawa. Ye be yama because adia ye wo ha say be ye na say nyina be yire ho na sports and a youth afa ntuma pa ye den. Efra e ko ana
Right, and see, I don't know some honorable sports minister Mustafa Yusuf Adia to a phone copy of from Chief Executive Officer at the National Sports Authority, Pius Hajide, National Youth Authority, I should say, National Youth Authority. Omo epani Pius Hajide or then some to just a youth resource center, sir. Yes, no. Anwene se. Na nti anwene se ne say near my boak aiding. Omo asusu near my boak bedin, sir. Yina ka ho. And I'm at the channel.
It says instructions were that we should expedite action and ensure the prompt completion of 5 out of the 6 facilities. Along the line, the governing board added 1. So as we speak, 6 of the youth resource centers are very advanced. 1 having been commissioned is now in use. From today's meeting, we are hopeful that in the coming days work will resume on all of the other 5, and we are hopeful that within the coming months we should commission the 5 other projects and then we can put them to use. On the issue of the cost, we are in the process. As I'm sure you all know, the phase 2 contract was signed sometime in 2020, and due to some challenges which has a background, and we can deal with the background subsequently, the work was delayed. So we have had to do a variation because the prices of things have changed. And so we are in a process to complete the variations. And so I prefer that we can wait for those processes to terminate, and then we can put the real cost. You know that the nature of the contract is a reimbursement contract. So the contractors have done some work, and then they will raise certificates and we'll pay them. And I don't want to mention how much we have paid to the contractors. That will be very small. We are talking about the contract sum. Very soon, the variations would have been approved.
Right, EMP. Mo na yenko pie mu onsen foforo mo Honorable Eric Afo, a member of parliament at the Amenfi West or the same kakra atudwa Osre Parliament in Penifo or Ghana. So mo hweda yemfa ne matoto ankwan mu na Samana boy baby asama testi o makan akwan ekọ Samana boy nyenyenyenyenyenyenye ti say any sports no dia na say man ya any kwakwan ne ho no kra me ankasa me so me a living testimony ye ko Samana boy o mo coronation chairman portal no dodge one get 10 free. Nye portal manhole no dodge one get 10 free to dodge udu baby na portal di aketo bo afọ ba do dodge ha koto manhole mu gbran to ka ni suru kakra dia chema beba no na o ka na singina dwiridwiri. And so imagine say clubs on a court we player na otena bas mu ko Samana boy a obeba na bra wa bre no to be du no wa bre ball no grant me mo prankwa. So osre penifo sem penifo nya ho bibi.
Historical glory came with challenges. The chief of it is the nature of the road network linking Samana Boy, where the club is located, despite the fact that the club is located within Cocoa Hub, that's the Sound of Cocoa district, timber zone in Ghana, and other mineral resources, especially gold. So, Speaker, to be specific, from Sekikopai through Asenkigo to Samana Boy Road was not accessible to the participating teams. And between Bodier through Asenkigo to Samana Boy Road was even worse to the participating teams. Mr. Speaker, I will therefore plead passionately through you to offer advice to the government to bring back the contractors back on these roads before the next football season starts. Mr. Speaker, I'm even wondering how we can host our African teams in Samana Boy if possible. I will therefore use this opportunity to employ all and sundry, especially the immediate stakeholders of the club, which include the management team, the technical team, supporters union, Nananom, the Amenfi West Municipal Assembly, Ghana Football Association of Ghana, Ministry of Youth and Sports, to support the club financially to ground its feet into the Premiership division, especially as the club is journeying to represent the country in Africa.
All right, Honorable Eric Afo. Ono na oye MP Dema Amenfi West. Now this is today to a job. Yeah, kind of sa wo hwe ne na bet power. Omo na de sia konkon na yere ensabono brewo na ye sankao. So on the 17th of August, Kwabi Pon Russia, ho na itua. Na kesaka na kakrebi na ye kopi mo Kwabi Pon Russia. Kojame na menkosie me mame. Me hu se wa rana opeja on Simon say yes waba. Na fe ama me vem kakra sanse nya bete kura be gina ha ma no papa nyina Robins kwa chairman nya ize kura anti be jamina enye kama pa ne ade a Bernard Paddy Botwe and of course Sergio Manoche me producers Kejua nankasa ne Eric Asiedu Bwedi afia man kwa tamaklo e dia pomode won sab na to aso koso na hebedwam